You don't wear
Yeah.
it, do you snore?
Oh, like crazy.
But when you wear it, you don't snore.
I don't snore at all. Yeah.
Your wife must love it.
She loves it. Yeah, before it was awful. And I also choke. I'd be like, I can't breathe.
How can this tiny nose clip help you breathe in 10 times more oxygen? Even though it looks like you're just putting a clip up your nose, these have tiny magnets that apply a gentle pressure to your septum. Because of this, your airways start to open up and oxygen flows at a much higher rate. This is perfect for people who mouth breathe or snore. All you have to do is clip these on and any mouth breathing or snoring instantly goes away.